If you're a content creator like myself, you want to be using this tool. It's on the other screen. There we go. This tool. You can't see it. This is Uppbeat. This is a music library specifically made for content creators. Free music for creators, says it there. No copyright claims, your favourite beat makers. And just want to say this is not a sponsored video at all. I may have done sponsored videos in the past, but this is not sponsored at all. This is something which I found the other day from watching videos myself on YouTube, and I thought this is so good that I'm actually going to make a video about it and share it, because if you are a content creator, like I said, you need to be using this. So if you are a content creator, you'll know it's hard to find music for your projects, for your YouTube videos, or for your client work or passion projects, etc., which isn't copyrighted and which you can use and make money from monetizing your videos for free, or at least for reasonable prices. Now, in the past, I have used YouTube to find a lot of these non-copyrighted music, although that can be a bit dodgy because it may have been copyrighted since that non-copyrighted music title was uploaded on YouTube, or it may just be hard to find the specific song you want, judging by mood and styles, etc., as you can't filter through them that easily on YouTube. Now that is all solved with Uppbeat. As you can see, they have beats, background, vibe, mood, all different sections for different types of music which you may need for your video. You can filter by, obviously, types of music, genre, vocals, mood, so you can find the specific song which will be perfect for your video. Not only that, but it's also free, like completely free. You just have to sign up and you can download 10 songs per month completely free, so that'll be one every 3 days. Now if you're a content creator like myself, you probably won't need to do more than one song per every 3 days. If you upload like a weekly video, then you can get 2 songs in each video every week, at least 2 and a bit. And then once you've got those songs downloaded, again, you can reuse them, etc. So if you want to be cheap and get it for free and just get one song every 3 days, that's 100 songs a year at least, more than 100, more like, I don't know, 120? Yeah, 120 songs a year for free. And once you've built up that library downloaded from Uppbeat, you probably won't need to find any more. You can just keep reusing them in each video if it's background music or whatever. So you can get it for free and not need to pay a thing for any of this. Alternatively, they do have a premium subscription, which also means you have more song types to choose from there. Premium songs only, which people with a non-paid membership can't download. Now, I'd also recommend going to premium. I haven't tried it myself, but I'm almost certainly going to sign up for it within the next couple of weeks now I've found it, which is only £6.99 a month. This is the most competitive price I've seen anywhere, full stop. Haven't seen a website list a price like this, subscription price for double that price, so definitely get it while it's still that price, because if it's this good, they'll probably end up putting it more expensive in the future. And with that £6.99 price, you can cancel any time, so it's basically no risk, as it says there. I don't know if you can see it. It says unlimited track downloads, access all premium tracks, 100% more music, whitelist your YouTube channel, support artists, no ads, £6.99 per month, that's Great British pounds, cancel any time. So yeah, I'm pretty certain I'm going to sign up to that as well. It's also got a trending section, if you can see any of this. You can see all the different beat types, background vibe, mood, funny, creative toolkit, cinematic, theme, music style. It's got a trending section as well, with all the most downloaded beats on, or songs, and you can filter by energy, that's cool. Very calm, moderate, energetic, intense, growing. Vocals as well, vocal elements, choir, lyrics, male and female, instrumental, and duration as well, depending on how long you want your video to be. You can then download them, you can add it to a playlist or favourites, and you can also filter by latest releases as well. Also looks like they have a sound effects section coming soon, so that'll also be useful if you're a content creator like myself. Very well designed for a website which I'm guessing is newer than things like Artlist or Epidemic Sound. So yeah, it's professionally done. That's basically all I wanted to say for this video. If you're a creator, you should get on to Uppbeat while you can get the free music to use, so then you won't be searching for YouTube or paying more for a different sound library. This is not sponsored at all, just thought I'd make a video about it because it's a cool tool for creators like myself. Thank you for watching. If you do end up using Uppbeat, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.